Hey, it's Michael LaFido from the Lux Group. In this video, I want to give you 5 tips and suggestions if you're about to sell or maybe you just sold and you're packing up and you want to have either a garage sale, an estate sale, and you're not sure how to keep organized. Again, you'll see a picture come across from a client of mine that recently implemented this same strategy. They had 5 different color stickers that they put on various boxes. The red sticker meant it goes with them to their next place. The blue sticker, they had a lake house, so it went to the lake house, but perhaps that goes to one of your sons or daughters. So the blue went to somebody else. The orange, they weren't decided on. The yellow, they wanted to give to another family. In other words, they wanted to pass it on so that another family could enjoy it just as much as they enjoyed. And then the green, that was going to sell at the garage sale or the estate sale. So again, 5 different sticker points when they box things up. This was their internal coding system. If you're thinking about having a garage sale, donating items, and you're not sure, I recommend a color coding system like this image that came across. Again, this is what they had on their refrigerator and throughout the house to help them stay organized. Michael LaFido, if this is helpful, let me know. And for other tips and suggestions, whether you're buying a home, selling a home, or just curious to see what your home is worth today, reach out. Take care, everybody.